Hi guys, welcome to my channel Daniel Diary. Yes, something new on my channel because I don't really do much vlogs, and definitely I don't do much like house tour or something like that. But I'm in a CJS in Spain and I'm in Hotel Melia, and I just decided to show you the room and show you hotel where I stay. Let me know if you like this type of video on my channel, and I will do more because I travel all the time and actually sometimes can be quite interesting. That's the hotel where I'm staying. It's a resort and a spa, and we have a big reception on the left side. It's a restaurant on the right side water pool, so it's a conference center. In the basement we have a gym. Lobby look quite impressed. I'm going to the lift. It's a 2 or 3 type of lift here. One here close to the reception, but I'm going to the second one because I think the view is nicer. The hotel working on the cosmetics from the rituals, but actually I like the most this one, Melia Hotel International. That's cute. Kate, stay safe. That's cool. And of course some souvenirs, the best thing in each hotel. I know everybody love it. It's so cute. How many times you buy stuff like that but you never use the stuff? I have a lot. Okay, let's take a lift. I'm on the 5th floor. I have a room 550. I mean, I'm just waiting for the lift. The boat lifts from the 5th floor. Lovely. Let's take a lift. You don't see me now, but it's quite difficult to record myself from the front camera, from the phone, just because I used to use the GoPro, and my GoPro unfortunately had some accident, and I'm just using my phone. The quality is still amazing, but not the same comfort of recording. But hopefully everything will be fine. I will show you myself when I will be in the room. That's a lobby. Lots of space, actually very nice and clean. It's not maybe cozy, but like very modern and industrial. But I don't think this hotel is new, but I think work well. Looks cool. Okay, we are on the 5th floor. Yes, okay. And we are here. Like, I'm checking 3 times because I did TikTok before. You are more than welcome on my TikTok, Daniel Diary. And I wasn't sure where actually I am, and I missed the room a few times. Okay, this is room 505. Let's just open the room. Okay, lovely power card here. Okay, and first, I open a window because someone smoked here before. I'm not smoking, and smoking just, it's super irritating for me, and I smell smokers from billion kilometers. That's the big mirror here, and some power box here, whatever reason. And we have a big, very comfortable bathroom, shower room, and we have a hair dryer, and that's actually looks fancy, the gold glass. Lovely. Yeah, and we have the cosmetics from Rituals, I told you already, and we have towels, and we have more Rituals cosmetics, and toilet, and we have a phone in the toilet. That's cool. That's cool. The internet in hotel it's very, very strong, very fast. Okay, now we have a room. That's the table. And that's big bed, very comfortable. That's my backpack, from Decathlon, the fastest, the easiest, the lightest ever power bank from Samsung, because I'm the big fan of Samsung. The cover for the DJI, because I'm using DJI, and the sunglasses, unbreakable sunglasses from Glorify. That's my stuff here. And guys, this is just cosmetic box from the any shop. I have my from Primark. It's the best ever, because all cables, everything here, and it's less mess. And we all traveling with million cables, isn't it? It's big, spacey wardrobe with some so cute, some extra stuff. Actually, I didn't check it before, but I never use stuff like that, doesn't matter. And we have some, that's cute as well, some notepad. So cute, isn't it? Look at that, lovely. Seriously, it's a small touch, but make hotel be on another level. I got this is ticket for the towers for the water pool. I got tickets for the tower as well, just if I need more I can go to reception. And we have a TV, coffee, tea, sugar, blah blah blah. Also we have a safe, we have some sweets, and yeah, bottle opener, it's cool. And we have a mini buffet. I'm not really using stuff like that, but everything is here. And we have a table, and we have another window, another mirror. And I like actually this logo, because it looks cool. And we have a balcony and the view. The view is great. How you can see, the view is really nice. And the church in the very front, that's the church in the Sidges, and downtown it's over there. It's around 20 minutes walk. It's not that close. Also it's quite high while it's very windy. You can see like even palms, everything just moving a lot. And it's a water pool, the restaurant over there, but it's very windy. But it's very nice walking area to the old town, and view it's really nice. Okay guys, that's my room tour in a hotel Melia in Sitges in Spain, 40 kilometers from Barcelona. That's the view. I really like this logo, really looks cool. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Let me know if you like from me this type of videos, because I don't do stuff like that a lot. But if you like it, I will be happy to do it and showing all the places when I'm staying. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching me and spending time with you. Spending time with me, and have a beautiful day.